and visit his school and see what he does there. I want you to open up page number 2 and focus on what I am reading.
Time to go to school. I'm going to school. Follow me to see what I will do today. I'm ready for school. My books and my lunch are both in my bag. The best thing about every morning is seeing my friends in the playground. My favorite lesson is art. Can you see my art room? Lunchtime is always fun. I wonder what my mom made for me today. I love to read. Our library has amazing books that we can take home once a week. School is over, and it's time to go home.
Okay, now that you have seen what Usman does in school, let's go through it once again. We have come to know that Osman does everything in a sequence. First, he gets ready, then he goes to school, then he has a lesson, and after lessons he enjoys lunch. Finally, he goes back home. Now we have an activity to do. You will have to write in sequence what you do every day when you return home from school. For example, after returning home, I change my clothes, then I do wuzu and pray Zohar. After praying, I take a nap. Now, in this way, you will have to write what do you do after returning home from school. Thank you.